face is a little red. We're doing another makeup versus. You guys seem to be liking this. Before we get into this, if there are any other products that you want me to compare in this style, drop a comment below and let me know. As we're gonna be trying 2 foundations from Estee Lauder. Your Futurist Hydra Rescue Foundation, SPF 45. The Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup. And just for a bit of honesty here, I don't have a ton of Estee Lauder products. Estee just seemed like an old lady, and if I can be frank with you guys, white lady makeup brand. I have rich cocoa in both. I have 2 foundations from the same brand but have different formulations, and they can have the same color range and have the same names of shades, but sometimes you might need to go a shade up or down depending on what the formulation is. So I got the same shade to compare that for you guys. They're not that far off in price. And then the other biggest difference, like outside of the formula that you can see, is the packaging. Plastic bottle, it has a pump applicator or a dispenser. It's a glass bottle. It does not have any sort of pump. It's just like a pour out situation. Although I did see on Sephora that they do have pumps that you can buy to go with this. I personally am not gonna be buying an additional dispenser for a foundation, but the girls love her. So this side is gonna be the Double Wear, and then this side is gonna be the Futurist. First, I just do want you guys to see like the consistency of them. Okay, neighbor dog. Oh, so right off the gate, these are the same shades, y'all, but they look very different on my hand. This is the Futurist. She looks way darker, and that's the Double Wear. She looks hella light, don't she? See, that's why we buy the same shade, so you can compare. I'm gonna do a test. So this is the Double Wear that I'm doing first. I'm not gonna lie, Double Wear looks a little orange. I'm afraid of her. And then this is the Futurist. So this is what I was talking about when I say like you might have to go a shade up or down, because these shades might be different because the formulas are different. Yeah, I'm afraid of her. I think she is like way too light. If she blends in, like, I will be shocked, but I don't think she's going to. All right, so that's just like one light layer of it. She does dry down matte. It is true, like a true medium to full coverage. I definitely feel like if you wanted to build this up, you could. But I'm not gonna put any more on because I don't want to be oranger than I am. This rich cocoa and the Futurist is like a lot more cool toned. So we have both foundations on now. Remember, this side is a Double Wear, this side is a Futurist. So as you can see with the Futurist, she is all your glowy vibe. She's glowy, she's glossy, she's shining, she's beaming, she's moisturizing. The difference in the colors is, it's not as apparent on the face. I will say that. I thought I was about to be like chocolate and Cheeto, but it's not as apparent on the face. But you can still tell like something right here. You can definitely see there's a difference in the finish as well. More recently, I've been going more towards things that are like more radiant or luminous. They just tend to work a bit better if you have acne prone skin or textured skin. It looks better for the finished product. You can throw some setting powder on top of it, but when you have like a matte foundation and then you throw concealer and setting powder and all that stuff on top, it starts to look real cookie real quick. And I like cake to eat, but not on my face. I'm gonna be going with the Futurist here, just because one, I would always rather have a foundation that is a little bit darker, because now that the Double Wear side has dried down, it's not so different from my skin tone, but it's still different. So that's just my opinion. If you are thinking about buying these 2 pricier foundations, I hope this was helpful for you guys, because listen, makeup is not cheap. And all of you out here talking about you should be able to do makeup for $150 a face, sweetheart, if you are not already, make sure you subscribe. We're not almost at 3,000 yet, but we're growing, we're steady, and I appreciate you guys. And then don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My name is @Niara Alexis, and I will see you guys next time.